Hello friends, my name is Amit and you're watching AKD Updates. So friends, today I bought this phone that is MI5A. I have just reduced it from Flipkart. Okay, let me focus it. Okay, invoice and all. Okay, so let me straight away open this up. Okay, I guess it's opened. How to open this up? I have no idea. Oh, it's done. Yes. So I guess I got the thing which I need. This is the this is the MI5A. This is a beautiful looking phone, MI5A by Xiaomi, India's #1 smartphone brand. And here are the things on the specs. Snapdragon 425. It is a 5-inch 13 megapixel rear camera with a dedicated slot. Okay, the seal is tampered from here. Okay, let me see it. The seal should not be broken. Okay, I'm trying to open this up. Okay, this seal is fine. Hopefully, I guess the seal down is also fine. It should not be tampered actually. If it is tampered, then it might not be an original product. So let me straight away open this up. Here. And here it goes. Okay, I opened it up. Let me try opening it up. Yo, here is the beautiful looking phone. I ordered it in gray color. Looks pretty well actually. Okay, whatever. This is the specs of the phone. USB. This is USB to micro USB. It's not a C type, although you can't expect C type in this price range. Yeah, it's a B type USB. Okay, let it be here. Let's check out for the power grid. The power grid is your 5-volt 1 amps, which is going to be very slow charging. And here is the how to bring that out, man. I have no idea. Okay, let me be there only. Okay, keeping this aside, let me fire the phone up. Volume control, okay, dedicated SD card with micro SD, and volume locus, power button. It's on. Let me just check this out. It's actually a beautiful looking phone. A small, cute, beautiful looking phone, and the speaker is on the back side, which is going to be a problem. Okay, there is a design over here. I guess this is because of the antenna bands or something, might be. MIUI 9. Okay, English India. Next, shows your region, region. GHI India region. Oh, it's taking some time. Okay, 11:48 AM. Okay, I'll be connecting it just in a moment, or I'll connect it later on. Next, things good. I will check it later. Set is up as new. It's a fresh device. Agree. All set. I'm not setting any lock screen. Okay, next. Default, I'll be choosing this default only. Next, setup complete, loading apps. Right, just the charger also, it's working. I guess it will be working, but still I'll be checking this out. Okay, it's still not ready. So after some time it has booted up, but like the time, and it tells us that time and date. I have to check out everything. So that's it for the video today, guys. If you like the video, click the like button. Please do subscribe my channel. I know I have not posted a videos in past 6 months, but now I'm trying to be regular. I was busy in some works, and hopefully nowadays I will publish video regularly. Thank you for watching my channel. Goodbye.